Welcome, everyone! Today we are talking about several interesting topics that may be useful for both new and older students alike. First, we are going to talk about the Kamp Lintfort campus library system, from where to find the library and how to find the titles you need, to learning what to do if they are located in the Cleve campus. In the second section, we talk about the transport system, covering the basics that you need to know to get to Cleve, covering buses, trains, and the tickets, including a couple of tips to keep in mind when traveling on these methods of transportation. In the third section, we cover the whole transfer at Geldern Bahnhof, from the bus station there to the train that takes us to Cleve. Finally, in the fourth section, we cover how to get from the Cleve station to the campus, where to find the library and your books, and a short explanation of how to retrace your steps to get back to Kamp Lintfort. In this video, we will start with section 1. But remember that you can easily find all the other sections by clicking on the playlist suggested at the end of the video, or by clicking on the specific links found in the additional information section below. Now that we have that covered, let's see what Valeria, a fellow student, is doing today. It seems finals are coming, and she needs to find a very important book at the library.
Hi, my name is Valeria and I'm a student of International Management and Psychology, and now it's exam time preparation, so I need to go to library of Kamp Lintfort and I need to find some books there. Let's go with me. The button here. So we go. So now we are here on the second floor, and I'm going to show you where the bus is.
After finding the library computer, Valeria went to the university's library website, shown below on the search tab. After having logged in with her student credentials and personal password, Val is now showing us how to search for the reading material we need. Remember, you can switch the information on the website from German to English, depending on your preference. Now back to the search. Valeria has found the topic of the book she is interested in, but it seems she is looking for a physical book, not digital material. So now she has clicked on the local holdings section of the menu to the right of the screen. Val has now found the book she was looking for, so she clicks on the title to see where in the library she can find it. It looks like the book she needs is not at the Kamp Lintfort library, but located at the Cleve campus library. Even though some copies of books can be found in their digital forms, it is important to remember that most of them only allow you to read online, making it difficult to save your progress, while others only allow you to download specific chapters. Back to our story, Valeria has now decided to go and get her book personally at the Cleve campus library.
Let's go.
Now, Valeria is going straight to the bus stop, walking from the middle of the campus and out to the town of Kamp Lintfort. Now that we have left the campus, as we can see on the map, the bus stop we need to walk to is very close by. On her way to the bus stop, Val is going to point out a couple of key landmarks to help you remember the way. How many can you remember?
That's why we will go to the Kunden Center. That's exactly where you can also maybe ask a bit about the ticket system here in Germany. Yeah, we're also past Shisha store. And a beautiful center of Kamp Lintfort with many supermarkets. I have an opportunity to take a look at the flowers when you're going to the bus station. That's our bus station. As I mentioned before, here timetable will tell you when the bus will come. And we need, this one is the 30 Helden Bahnhof. And here you can also see Zeit, which means the time, when it comes, if it's getting late, the number of the bus, Linie, direction, Richtung. Yeah, time.
Now that we have reached the bus station we needed, we have come to the end of the first section of our tutorial. Feel free to continue to section number 2, or stay a bit longer for the 3-question review quiz. In what building and what floor is the library located on the Kamp Lintfort campus? Which of the following was not a landmark to the bus station? What bus do you have to take to get to the Geldern Bahnhof? Awesome. See you next time.